Okay, I'm back in my house, and yeah, sorry about that. Sorry about that blackout and stuff. And so I'm redoing the video, but like I said from the previous video, the cat got away in the bush. So we'll try maybe tomorrow or next week. Make sure to like and subscribe, and if you subscribe, leave a comment below that you did, and you'll get a free fidget spinner. And also ring that bell. Bye.